Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make this into this. Hey guys, so we're installing these white stripes on the hood of my Mustang. Bought these online. It gives it a little bit of more aggressive look. Gives it a little bit of character. And what I've done is I've applied a little bit of water and soap. And what the soap does is it helps with positioning. It helps with positioning your decal where you want it to be before it starts actually sticking. And now when I've got it to the point where I want it to be at, you can see I'm squeegeeing I'm using my squeegee to take all the water out. And this will make sure it sits nice and firm. Hopefully it doesn't turn into a disaster. Anyways, you can kind of see from this side, it's already giving the car a little bit of an aggressive character compared to the other side. Now what we're doing is we're using a hair dryer to apply heat to dry it off and make sure any bubbles that are left inside, the heat from the hair dryer is gonna help the bubbles get smaller and eventually get out. Now this is the first time we've done this, so a few things to keep in mind. When you're squeezing the water out, first of all, I kind of figured out a trick. If you put your squeegee inside a towel and make an edge, like a flat edge, it helps absorb the water more. But don't put too much pressure on it, because the decal is kind of slippery and it's sensitive. So very light pressure. You want to baby it in, and that makes sure it doesn't get, you see that? See, I kind of moved out of the way, there's a bubble there. So be careful of that. Okay, now we're on the other side, and what my brother's doing is we put the soapy water on, we got it in the place where we wanted it to be, and you gotta lightly, gently apply heat and get it to stick in 3 positions: at one corner, at the other corner, and in the middle. I started with the middle. I applied heat to the middle, and I got it where I wanted it to be, so at least it could stick. Now I'm at the corner, just gently pressing it, because when the decal gets heated, it becomes very sensitive. So I've got the squeegee inside my towel, and very gently I'm taking the water out. Very gently. And at first it might seem like the decal doesn't want to stick. Trust me, eventually it is going to stick. Concentrate here. Alright guys, so here it is. The end product of the hood stripes decal. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and install the side rocker panel decal. It's going to be white. I was going to say Mustang around here. As you can see, yeah, we already did the hood decal. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and clean the area off with alcohol. And that's going to make sure it takes all the wax and everything away, because wax is going to interfere with the decal sticking to the body. So we went ahead and cleaned that off. Push it in with your finger, but not too much, very lightly. Okay guys, so here's the finished product. And we've only done one side. Now we did apply soap to this area, to that area, soapy water, but the letters where you see Mustang at, we applied them just without any water, because what I did was I actually cut out the shape of the letters and put it on to make it stand even with the lines in between. But overall it looks good.